30 per second.
Hi!
Warm welcome to Lewa Safari Camp.
Thank you!
We're very happy to have you here with us.
Yay! We are happy to be here.
Hi,
Hey.
everybody.
Hello, wildlife watchers. Welcome back for an all-new Kenya Safari vlog. I'm Jeff.
I'm Shelly.
And I'm Alex.
This is Alex.
And we're your favorite safari holics.
Oh, yeah.
In today's adventure, we're taking you on our first evening here in Lewa Conservancy in central Kenya. This is our first time here. I'm so excited to be exploring this wilderness area. Quick recap on today. We woke up in the Samburu National Game Reserve. We woke up at the Soroy Larson's camp, went on a phenomenal game drive, spotted a pride of lions. How many lions were there?
That was a pretty big pride, and just a appendage to that note is there was some tension in that lion pride.
Yeah,
and
three females were not a fan of one of the males. We thought a brawl was going to
There
break
was
loose.
like teeth baring. It was so fascinating.
Mind you, this was Alex's first wild lion sighting ever.
Period. Like ever.
Speechless, no words.
A whole
No
pride.
comment.
It was amazing.
You had to be there.
You had to
You
be there.
had to
They
be
actually
Well,
were.
they were with us in the back seat.
As long as you watched the
With
previous
me.
vlog.
Yeah,
And then we spotted a leopard with 2 cubs. The first time any of us have ever seen that. That was so special.
First time seeing cubs.
And then afterwards, we drove down to Lewa. That drive took us about an hour and a half. And we have checked into the Lewa Safari Camp by the Elewana Collection. Had a wonderful, refreshing lunch. And we checked into our compound here. Shelly and I are on this side. Alex is on this side. In this secluded area where we have a surreal view of Lewa. We're about to go explore that next.
And this is our communal area.
Yes, this is our gym, our painting studio, our filming studio.
It's the workstation.
Versatile space, whatever you want to do here. Explore your hobbies.
You want to do backflips, you go for it.
They're here for
Anywho,
that.
before we head out on our first evening game drive, a little bit about Lewa because the history here is really interesting. So the reason why I've been so intrigued about this place for so long is, can you guess why?
The rhinos.
Sorry. He loves rhinos.
The rhinos. Just to sum it up, there was a family that owned 40,000 acres here called the Craig family. And there was a conservationist named Anna Mertz who approached them to convert it into a black rhino sanctuary because rhino populations have been decimated in East Africa due to poaching, human-wildlife conflict, drought, and they became a critically endangered species. So in order to create a stronghold for them, a safe place for them to thrive, they had to establish these conservancies, these fenced areas where they could be safeguarded by anti-poaching units. They accepted and they converted this ranch into the conservancy. And since then, for decades, they have been protecting rhinos here. So it's turned into a safari destination and we're excited to explore it, see what it's all about, and take you with us.
We have an incredible impression so far.
What's really cool is that Lewa became popular because people all around the world wanted to see the last remaining rhinos. They were ubiquitous at one point. Then it reached a point where they were really rare. So people were traveling from around the world to come see this rare thing. In turn, it brought a lot of interest to Lewa and a lot of money to support their conservation. So anyway, that's a little bit on Lewa.
We gotta flip the camera and show them what we're looking at.
We'll give you a 360.
Should we take them on game drive?
You're sitting next to me, pal.
Yeah. Pack up your bags. We better go. Let's go meet our guide.
Okay, and I'm bringing my
I
journal.
can't get it. Oh, how beautiful that is.
Thank you. I'm glad you guys like it.
Oh.
I'll definitely you guys can rip out the ones you like and take them home.
Okay, guys, what do you think? Should we make merch with Shelly's art on it?
Let us know because this is a new idea and we've been flirting with it for a little bit, but we want to get your guys' thoughts. Maybe we could even start with a giveaway. Gauge some interest. Maybe I could make a tote bag.
That would look good on a tote. That lion, the way it is right now, put that on a shirt or something.
Put it on a shirt.
I look like such a nature nerd. This is where Alex hangs out, right on the railing. She gets the best view. Can I go show them your room?
What?
Ooh.
I did.
Oh, that's where we started the vlog.
Zip it up and clip it up so the monkeys and the wildlife doesn't get in here. But
They don't become roommates.
come be my roommate.
Wow.
So cozy.
Alex's pad. Woo! Hi,
All right on time.
I'm Jeff. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Our new adventure vehicle.
Yeah.
And our new guy, George.
Big George. We call him Big Man George.
Big man George?
Big Man George.
I'm little man nature nerd Jeff. That's artist Shelly.
I'm photographer Alex.
Photographer Alex. We are the dream team.
We are the creative trio.
We are the creative department. What are we manifesting for tonight's drive?
I mean, it's tough because we've already seen leopard and cubs and a whole pride of lions. I know Jeff is really eager to see the rhinos, so let's have our fingers crossed for him. And I think I would really like to see a hyena. I miss them.
Yeah.
We haven't
seen one yet.
Haven't seen one yet.
I'll take it all.
Yeah.
So Lewa is a big area, 62,000 acres. There's the family called Craig family. They've been here almost 100 years.
Wow.
They started it as a cattle ranch. And then early 80s when they was poaching, a lady called Anmas came here and they talked and they started a small rhino sanctuary and they opened the whole thing in 1995. They have been doing very well because they've been translocating rhinos to other places.
What's your favorite animal?
Elephant.
Yeah?
Yeah. Just feel in love with them. Yeah.
I'm meteorologist Jeff Heyer. The weather forecast this evening, a slight drizzle, a slight breeze, a bit chilly. You're gonna wanna layer up. This just in, our first rhino sighting. Wow. That horn. What are you writing?
I am writing down. Oh, hi, gang. I am writing down our sightings. I think this is a new practice in my journal. Just the park we're in, what we see. Oh, okay. I'm writing down the park that we're in, the animal we're seeing, the age, the gender, and in this case, a baby.
So old school of you.
It is. You know what? The painting got me started, and I'm like, maybe we need some more. We just need more forms of media.
More organic.
More traditional forms of media.
Who are we looking at?
We are looking at Sonia. Sonia is one of the old rhino in the conservancy. She has been here over 35 years now, and she has over 10 offspring. The calf she has now is 4 months old. For now, I don't know if she'll be lucky to have another one because now she's old, and normally rhino lives up to 40 years. It's very tough for her because she's old, and even feeding sometimes is a problem. That's why even sometimes they bring food for her, because if the grass gets very dry, it's hard for her. So she's getting very weak. You can see she's old, and let's wish her all the best.
How many of her offspring live in Lewa?
The ones I know is about 2 of them, but the rest have been translocated. I think there are 2 of them which are here for now.
Are you amused by my strategy?
Look at what this girl's doing right now.
You know?
Information is passing through the binos, then through her brain, then through her arm, and then through the pen onto paper.
This is just my autistic brain. Don't mind me.
So cute.
Oh, not the oxpeckers.
Oh.
She's like that.
You weren't kidding.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That was epic.
That was something.
Black rhinos are so territorial. And we just got mock charged. Heart is racing. Well, kidding butts.
Yeah. Oh, crushing, crunching.
Update from the Safari Twins.
From the twins.
We have spotted our 4th rhino. We actually spotted a male over by a watering hole, but the road was too wet, so we couldn't get very close because otherwise we get stuck. But this next one is on the dry road, so we're gonna show you.
And we're driving right up to it.
Yes, we are. How are you enjoying the sightings? Comment below. Gotta go. Rhino on the road.
Jeff, look left.
Oh, he's covered in mud.
Wow.
He's marking territory. We're in his
It's like
territory.
a spray bottle. Oh.
I think Shelly and I are twinning a little bit too hard. We literally have the same camera and have been taking photos at the exact same
The same
time.
hat?
The same shutter.
I would literally confuse you guys from the back.
We have the exact same photos on our camera right now. Every safari I go on, she goes on. We have lined up the vehicle perfectly, and now this rhino is coming straight towards us. We'll keep you posted.
I'm gonna sketch him.
Shelly's gonna draw him. Here he comes. This is the Lewa moment I was dreaming about. Yes. I feel like we're fortunate to live during the same time as rhinos.
I feel super fortunate to be able to just sit and draw these amazing animals.
If I'm going to truly twin you, I need to practice painting. I need a notebook.
That means Jeff has to do the next sketch. You want to draw him?
And then you're going to have to start running the vlog channel. It's time for a sundowner. So George up there is opening up the bar. What are you two laughing about? They're laughing at my outfit. It's literally the same outfit that you're wearing.
I have no pants on.
We're all twinning now. Look at us. So not to freak out, but the rhino is in view for this sundowner. You might be able to see him. He's just a few pixels on the screen. He's going up to the watering hole. They're laughing at me still. Oh, is George about to pop a bottle? And what are we celebrating again?
The rhino.
And discovering your PhD question.
Oh, we're celebrating. I found my research question.
We all have something to celebrate. What are you celebrating?
Life.
Good answer. I'm celebrating rhinos. George, what are you celebrating? The craziest clients you've ever had?
Yes.
Oh.
It's an inside joke.
Whoa! He popped it. Cheers.
Cheers.
But cheers.
Cheers.
Let's cheers them too.
And cheers.
Dla wszystkich misiów.
What's that mean?
100 lat. To all my cutesy bears.
And we're back at camp. Thank you, George. We'll see you tomorrow morning.
Yeah, have a good evening when we see you.
Gotta freshen up.
Oh, it smells so good.
I love that smell.
Oh, it's
Hi vlog. So this is the Shelly cam. I've been told that I'm taking over the vlog channel, so this is my channel now. In return, Jeff is drawing a rhino for us, and so we're gonna show it to you guys.
Hey guys, so I'm Shelly now. My role is to draw pictures, and Shelly has to run the vlog channel. We switched. Try and guess what I'm drawing.
Oh, Jeff, it's really good. You made a pointy. We will check back in a couple minutes. So only a tiny % of people can like form an air bubble in their wrist, and I'm one of them. So let's check back in with Jeff. Good, you
This
guys.
is how it's coming along so far.
Honey.
Should I put this on merch?
Yes.
I said hi, you said hi
I did
before
it.
you.
Dinner has started, folks. The whole gang is here for dinner. Shelly, Paul, Alex.
I wouldn't recommend. Oh my gosh, that was so good.
Shelly drew me. Yummy, thank you. Course 2. Course 3. Should we? happy. We're back. Thank you so much. Sorry, guys. That's bright. Well, folks, that was our first evening in Lewa. That game drive was all about rhinos. And lots of giggles, lots of fun. It's so fun to go on safari with you two.
Oh, shucks. You're not bad yourself.
Aw, almost pushed me off the edge. She almost fed me to the hyenas. Join us tomorrow for a full day of adventures. If you want to follow along, don't forget to hit subscribe. And what am I going to say next?
Hakuna Matata.
Close. Shelly?
Subscribe.
No, I already said subscribe.
Oh, comment below.
If you want to go on safari yourself, reach out to me. I can arrange it for you.
Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata, y'all. We'll see you next time.